Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser and this is a Create Vision production. So carrying on with algorithms, let me give you the basic statement of what an algorithm is. An algorithm is a finite sequence of rigorous instructions typically used to solve a class of specific problems or to perform a computation. An algorithm are used as specification for performing calculations and data processing. More advanced algorithms can use conditions to divert the code's execution through various routes and deduce valid inferences. Achieving automation eventually using human characteristics as descriptors of machines in metaphorical ways was always practiced by Alan Turing, the father of computation, such as memory search and all that jazz. So that's the basic definition of an algorithm. So what algorithm do we have in front of us here? We have the square algorithm. How to draw a 10 by 10 square. So this is basically just showing you how flowcharts use successive processes in order to achieve a specific goal. So right now I'm just showing you the basics of what you call this, of how to conduct an algorithm. So in front of us we have a basic algorithm deducing on how to draw a simple shape such as a square. So let us begin using this flowchart. So we begin by putting our pen down, and then we move forward in either direction, left or right, up or down, 10 spaces. Okay, 10 steps. It can be whatever. This is just a basic pseudocode on showing you how a basic algorithm is done. So after 10 paces, we make a right angle turn. Right angle 90-degree turn right here. After the 90-degree turn, whether left or right, we move forward another 10 spaces. And obviously we taking, it can be either measurements. It can, in programming, it can be you initiate your counter to 10 spaces. In walking, it can be just 10 steps. In measurements, it can be 10 centimeters forward, and then after that you make a right angle degree turn, and then you move forward again 10, and then you make another right angle degree turn and you move forward 10 spaces, and you make another right angle degree turn and you move forward, and then you pull up your pen, your marker, whatever it can be, your counter stops here. And that's the end of the basic square algorithm. So this is just the basic process. I'm showing you the conditional statements which are used in computation in order to determine what I'm doing, because an algorithm is basically the steps needed to take in order to achieve a goal. And our goal right now was to draw a square. We use flowcharts in order to show us how it's done. So let us just run through this program one more time. So you begin by putting your pen down, your marker down, whatever it can be, your counter down. You move forward 10 steps, you make a right angle degree turn. You move forward 10 steps, you make another right angle degree turn. You move forward 10 steps, and then you make another right angle degree turn. You move forward 10 steps, and then that's the end of your No, I'm not drawing a triangle, I'm drawing a square. So in this statement we've used conditional statements, which can be okay, it's a whole nother subject. I don't want to get into it, but all I want you to get from this basic algorithm using flowcharts and how to basically draw a square.